Fly bird. I was casually walking on the beach, and in the air I could see seagulls fly. And to my surprise, I noticed an eagle flying by. My oh my, flying so high, drifting through time. I turned around, hearing a song of days gone by. Fly on, birdie, fly. I hear the sound of the ocean waves whispering in my ear so I can hear the journey to the other side. Walking along, doing fine, finding the reasons why. Like turning pages, dear, through all my ages here. I tip my hat as you pass on by. Fly by, birdie, fly. Feathers floating in the sky, gently falling by my side. Thank you for stopping by. Ocean waves rushing through my mind, clearing my thoughts away. Like sand castles of time carried by the ocean sea, setting my mind at ease. I feel so free, like the breeze, spreading my wings, catching the winds of thought, writing pages of where I've been, showing me the reasons why. Fly on, birdie, fly. I'm glad I'm still alive. Nestled wind in my mind, days gone by. Casually walking on the beach, and in the air, seagulls fly. And in the sky, that eagle, riding high on the wind, looking for the other side. For like your spirit, I wish I could spread my wings and fly away up into the open sky. Fly on, birdie, fly.